In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change PNG color from black to white in Canva. Invert PNG color. If you've got a black icon, logo, or simple graphic and you want it to be clean white for a light background, this is quick and easy to do right inside Canva. I'll walk you through two reliable methods, and you can choose the one that fits your project best. First, open your design in Canva so you are working on the canvas where you want the white version to live. Then upload your PNG and add it to your design. This works best with a PNG that has a transparent background and a solid black graphic, like an icon or word mark. Click the image to select it, then choose Edit or Edit Photo. In the editor, go to the Effects tab and select Duotone. Duotone remaps the dark and light parts of your image to two colors, which is perfect for forcing a single clean color. Pick any preset to start. The preset itself doesn't matter because we're going to customize it. Click the settings icon on that preset. You'll see two color swatches, highlights and shadows. Change both of these to white. The moment you do, the entire graphic will shift to white while preserving transparent areas around it. If you notice any faint gray edges or the white doesn't look fully solid, increase the intensity slider to push the effect all the way through. This gives you a crisp, consistent white, ideal for placing on dark or colorful backgrounds. Now let's look at the alternative using Adjust and Invert. With the image selected, click Edit or Edit Photo again. Head over to Adjust. In the Color section, choose Invert. Invert flips the colors in your image, so black becomes white. For a black on transparent PNG, this is a one-click way to get a white version. Keep in mind that any gray tones will invert to corresponding light tones, and if your PNG includes multiple colors, everything will flip. Not just the black. If you need a guaranteed pure white regardless of the original shades, the Duotone method gives you more control. That's it. Thanks for watching.